Adam and I am a team leader in the marketing sales department.
And I'm Sumaya.
Hi, my name is Fendi. I'm a senior sales executive in business development divisions.
Nama saya Saifuddin, Muhammad Saifuddin bin Sainal. Saya punya position adalah mentor untuk business development department, tapi specialize in property.
For the past 5 years, since 2011, start with a junior sales executive and promoted to senior, then mentor, acting team leader, and here I am now as a team leader. Previously, I studied a Bachelor in Science in Industrial Design from University Technology Malaysia, UTM, and Sumai from Nottingham.
Yeah.
I'm not studying in sales and marketing or any business related field, but we are able to maintain our position here in sales and marketing.
Comfori culture, ya. Okey, kat belakang saya ni ada 8 Comfori culture yang kita amalkan kat sini, tapi saya pick satu je lah. So yang saya paling terkesan adalah continuous improvement. Kita kat sini ada senior, ada junior. So macam newbies semua kita akan guide. So masa every newbies, every senior atau every junior dia ada probation period, kita kena hit target tu. Senior akan tolong juniors untuk grad on time. So kita akan ajar diorang berkenaan dengan pitching, product knowledge, planning, sales, semua tu kita akan ajar sampai diorang grad on time lah. So maksudnya achieve the target.
I think working in Comfori, you can actually set your income. Like, let's say if you want to get 10,000, definitely you have basic and also commission. So being a salesperson, you have to go for the commission, and there's no limitation on that. I mean, if you want it, go ahead. Nobody's going to say like, no, you have to get only 4,000. There's no such thing.
Actually, that is the differences between Comfori and other sales company, because if you notice, some sales company they limit the commission package to their employee, but not in Comfori. If it depends on how hard you work, and if you are able to achieve 100k per month, so you will be entitled for the commission because that is your effort.
Working in Comfori for past few years has improved my networking. I always get the opportunity to meet industrial expert for various background.